The lottery is a game of luck. At least that's what we all know. But what if we tell you that there is a chance to beat the game of luck with a game of wit? Sounds impossible, right? No, it actually is possible, and it has happened. In 2011, there was an interesting story in South Deerfield, Massachusetts, where two individuals beat the lottery. A man in his 70s bought 150,000 tickets for an obscure game called Cash Windfall at Jerry's place, while a woman in her 60s bought $307,000 worth of tickets at Billy's Beer and Wine in Sunderland. Both games had a top prize of $2 million, but had rarely paid out. But what did they do? Let's find that out in this video. But first, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you pretty much the amount you would need to purchase any of these luxurious stuff. So if you're interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. People wonder why they invested so much in a game with a seemingly low chance of winning. Perhaps they knew something about the game's rules and had mathematical skills to support their strategy. This is the intriguing story of how they outsmarted the lottery odds. In 2003, Jerry and Marge Selby, a retired couple in the early 60s from Everett, Michigan, discovered a new lottery game called Windfall. Jerry, with a background in mathematics, noticed a potential advantage in the game's rules that could increase their chances of winning. This realization sparked an idea in his mind to beat the lottery system. Fast forward to 2011, now in their early 70s, Jerry and Marge invested heavily in an obscure game called Cash Windfall. They believed that Jerry's mathematical analysis could give them an edge, despite the game's limited history of paying out the top prize. Their confidence in Jerry's strategy and willingness to take a calculated risk paid off, allowing them to beat the odds and win significant prizes from the lottery game. The exact details of Jerry's strategy remain undisclosed, but his mathematical expertise and his degree in mathematics from West Michigan University played a crucial role in their success. Jerry's sharp mathematical mind allowed him to understand the rules of the Windfall lottery quickly and spot a lucrative loophole. He realized that when the jackpot reached $5 million without a winner, it would roll down and be split among lower-tier prize winners. Jerry's strategy involved spending $3,600 on lottery tickets, focusing on low-tier prizes during roll-downs. His calculations indicated that playing 1,100 tickets would almost recover his cash spent, and he could expect a return of $1,900 by investing $1,100. Jerry's clever approach and understanding of the game's mechanics led him and his wife to beat the odds and turn their investment into substantial winnings. By purchasing a specific number of tickets during roll-down weeks, he increased his chances of winning smaller prizes and making an overall profit. Jerry's strong mathematical abilities led him to create a company called GS Investment Strategies to play large amounts of money in lottery tickets during roll-down weeks, recording their winnings for proof. Their success continued, with substantial profits and a remarkable 60% return on investment. Their story spread, and they attracted investors from friends and family who wanted to join in on the action. Jerry and Marge's well-calculated approach demonstrated that careful planning and mathematical precision could turn lottery ticket purchases into profitable ventures. They shared their good fortune with friends and locals at Sugar Ray's Cafe, enjoying a substantial windfall of their own. Jerry's investment strategy attracted local investors, including an attorney, 2 retired farmer brothers, and the owner of a tool shop. More people joined over time, and by 2005, there were 25 members with varying investments. They made profits proportional to their investments. However, the Michigan Windfall game was canceled due to low ticket sales, despite Jerry's group making substantial profits. Their winning streak ended, and they had to seek new opportunities. Despite that, One of the group members found another similar game called Cash Windfall in Massachusetts. Jerry and Marge, along with their company, decided to travel 900 miles from Michigan to Massachusetts, spending 14 hours on the journey every time there was a roll down in the game. They bought hundreds of thousands of Cash Windfall lottery tickets for their company members from 2 local stores. Marge stopped at Billy's Beer and Wine while Jerry visited a coffee shop called Jerry's Place to purchase the tickets. They would then go to a simple Red Roof Inn hotel room and spend 10 hours a day for 10 consecutive days carefully sorting through the tickets by hand. Their hard work paid off, and they were winning an average of over $600,000 with each roll down, which happened 7 times a year. While it may not have been a glamorous way to make millions, the strategy proved to be profitable for them. They managed to make an impressive $4.2 million annually for 6 years by exploiting the lottery loophole. However, their journey faced challenges when a young undergraduate named Yuron Liu from MIT noticed a similar loophole during his project. He decided to replicate Jerry's strategy, forming a syndicate called Random Strategies Investments with his friends. But when the media caught wind of these unusual lottery syndicates, suspicions of rigging arose, including organized crime or corruption. Lottery officials also grew wary, monitoring ticket sales and noticing rule violations like Marge operating the lottery ticket machine alone. The lottery licenses of 7 stores, including Jerry's Place and Billy's Beer and Wine, were revoked one after another, cutting off their source of commission from lottery ticket sales. Despite the support of store owners, the licenses were suspended temporarily. Jerry and Marge were prepared for a possible federal audit, keeping meticulous records of every ticket they purchased. They had amassed a massive collection of losing lottery tickets worth $18 million stored in giant totes. However, these tickets were not necessary for their strategy. During roll-down weeks, the Massachusetts State Lottery sometimes paid out more money than it made, and this was a legitimate feature of the system. The lottery had inadvertently created the loophole, and Jerry and Marge were simply exploiting it, not committing a crime. While the lottery might have been tempted to accuse them, the reality was that they were just taking advantage of a flaw that the lottery allowed to exist. Both Jerry's group and the MIT students achieved success by following the rules, spending $18 million on lottery tickets during roll-down days and earning $3.5 million in profits over 7 years. Despite officials' investigations, they found no wrongdoing or illegal activities. The loophole in the lottery system was intentional, created to offer better odds of winning, and the officials didn't express remorse for it. However, the game was eventually changed to prevent further exploitation. Jerry and Marge's group won an incredible $26 million before taxes, and even after taxes, they made over $8 million in profits. They used the money wisely, supporting their large family and investing in education for their loved ones. While they stopped playing the lottery, they continued to gamble with smaller sums in poker matches, cherishing their unique journey of slowly accumulating wealth over the years. It proved that winning the lottery didn't always require hitting the jackpot all at once with a massive ticket. It could be achieved through careful strategy and persistence. So what would you do if you were to figure out such a loophole? Would you have done the same thing? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the luxury world. Only here at Luxury Mindset.